Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Bakri from community of Babel. Welcome to another video. And in today's video we are going to talk about the word tafaddal. Okay, this is a command, this is a verb in the imperative mode, and this verb or this expression doesn't have an equivalent in English language. So we are going to talk about how to use this verb. There are 4 ways to use this word or this verb. The first way is to invite someone to do something, okay, politely, of course. So, for example, tafaddal ijlis. So, ijlis is a command, is a verb, imperative. So, ijlis, sit down. Tafaddal ijlis. So, tafaddal is another command. So, please have a seat. Tafaddal ijlis. Okay? And if you're talking to a woman, this verb will be, this imperative verb will be conjugated with anti, you, feminine. So, tafaddali, tafaddali, udkhuli, for example, if someone is knocking, so tafaddali, udkhuli, please come in. Tafaddali, udkhuli. So, udkhuli is another imperative verb. It means come in, please enter or come in. Okay. The second way to use this word is to give permission or to accept something, to express your approval on something. So, for example, if someone is asking you, ممكن أن أسأل سؤال, can I ask a question? ممكن أن is it possible that, or can I? أسأل سؤال, أسأل I ask, سؤال question. So ممكن أن أسأل سؤال, you can answer تفضل أو تفضلي if she is a woman. So تفضل أو تفضلي. So here you're expressing your approval, you're giving a permission to the person to go on. So please go on, please ask me, it's tafaddal أو تفضلي. The third usage of this verb is to let someone pass, for example, through a door before you. Okay, so for example, it's okay, tafaddal, if you are next to someone and you are inviting him or her to go through the door first, you can say tafaddal أو تفضلي. Okay, the last and the fourth and the last way to use this word is to present or to hand over something to someone. So, for example, if you're in an airport and you want to give the officer or to give a person your passport, you can say tafaddal. Tafaddal jawaz as-safar. Jawaz as-safar, this is the passport. So, tafaddal أو تفضلي, if she's a woman, tafaddali jawaz as-safar. Jawaz as-safar, this is the passport. Okay? Or if you're giving like a book to someone, tafaddal al-kitab. And you can say tafaddal without al-kitab. Okay, you can say tafaddal أو تفضلي. So these are the 4 ways to use the word tafaddal that doesn't have an equivalent in English. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel and you can visit our website for more lessons. Thank you and see you in another video.